saying? It is. It really is. Unless you're doing a world cruise and you're going to be on this thing for 120 days or something, then it's understandable. But to have to do all this immigration and passport holding and all this stuff for 9 days, or 8 days or whatever it is, it's a bit ridiculous.
The first thing they do is confiscate your passport like it's 1985.
Right.
In 2002 was the first time I went to Europe. And even then, they took my passport and made a copy of it and then gave me my passport back immediately. Back in the day, you had to give your passport to the hotel people and they kept it overnight and gave it back to you later. But nowadays, you don't have to do that.
Yeah.
They just literally scan it. Like they put it on the thing and scan it. Oh, big old boat.
This time we were without our passports for like 5 days, 6 days, until we got to Egypt.
And then they said, oh yeah, you need to come random, you need to come to Port Authority, you need to see the person. So I had to go and then get my passport and then go through this long process for someone to stamp my passport. And then I had to get my passport back again. And Barry got the same stamp as me, but he didn't have to go through that process. Like, what was that about? And then finally, oh, you can come get your passport now because you need it to go into Egypt.
Right.
It wasn't important for me to have it anywhere else.
Just Africa.
So it was weird. And now we can't just get off the ship. We have to go through passport control.
Right, because we left. Africa was the last continent we were on. Now we're in the EU, so we have to go through immigration there, face to face again. I guess that's as we're getting off the ship. I guess.
Well, she says they're going to
Bus us to the terminal.
To where the immigration people are.
Okay. So it should be another joyful process.
Oh. I don't feel well today.
My wife is sick.
My patience for
Not like the flu or nothing.
No.
Just other issues. Just bleh. Ooh, here's the backside of ferry boat. A couple of ferries out there. Very Seattle type port here. I love it. I guess you would have to say Seattle is a very Greek-like port since they were first. Oh, check out this guy. Marella Explorer. See if I can get someone to wave at me. Hi. Hello. Good morning, everybody. Nobody cares. Just because we're on Viva doesn't mean we're snooty. Come on. We're all travelers here. I recognize that symbol actually. So you guys might be on a smaller, lesser known cruise ship, but at least you're on not on that one. That one's really little. It is the ALEXANDER3. too, right? So how does our little Greek sidewalk cafe compare to one, say, in Paris?
What do you mean?
I'm sure it's perfectly fine. It's just a little, I love it. It's great. I don't know what this neighborhood is called or anything, but it is authentic. I think we're at a local's place. But I might be wrong. It feels very local. It's very small to be a tourist place. They have a full bar. They have Greek beers and Coca-Cola. Is this all in Greek yet?
Hold on now, I'm trying to
Yeah.
translate.
Oh, sorry. Didn't realize. It says in Greek, bottled by the Pepsi-Cola company. Be crazy, because that's not a bottle. Thank you. I got me a latte.
So that's that word right there at the end.
Mm-hmm.
Is sugar.
Oh, okay. Oh, this looks good. This looks good. This looks good. Cut.